He had $0. Then one decision changed everything. At exactly 2:43 a.m., Daniel checked his bank account. Ling Meiyuan. Not low. Not almost empty. Zero. No savings. No backup. No one to call. In that moment, he faced a terrifying reality. It wasn't bad luck that destroyed his life. It was one decision he made 6 years earlier. 6 years earlier, Daniel's life was different. He was ambitious. At 24, he had a stable job, a steady income, and something most of his peers didn't have: time. While his friends were investing, learning, and building careers, Daniel believed he could figure it out later. Instead of securing his future, he chose
your new
comfort.
Pro X Max.
New phone.
Wow, this is incredible.
Enjoy the unboxing.
I can't wait.
Better clothes. More nights out. Each small decision felt harmless, but they quietly shaped his fate. As the years rolled on, everything seemed normal. Until the unexpected happened, he lost his job. At first, Daniel wasn't worried. He thought he'd find another one quickly. But weeks turned into months. His savings dwindled. 3,000 Meiyuan, 1,800 Meiyuan, 600 Meiyuan, and then it hit zero. Reality crashed down. For the first time, Daniel understood that his real problem wasn't just losing his job. It was his reliance on a single income. That night, sitting in the dark, staring at that empty bank account, Daniel realized a profound truth. For 6 years, he had traded his future for temporary comfort, depending entirely on one fragile system. When that system broke, everything shattered with it. Yet, amid his panic, clarity emerged. When you have nothing left, you start seeing everything differently. He still had one asset: time. One no. The next morning, Daniel made a quiet but powerful decision. He would stop living reactively and begin building intentionally. He immersed himself in learning not for entertainment, but for survival. He acquired new skills. He studied finance. He learned how wealth truly works. Slowly, things began to change. His income returned, but this time, he didn't rely on a single source. He built multiple streams. He invested wisely, planned diligently, and created systems that worked even when he didn't. It wasn't instant. It was a gradual progression. 3 years later, Daniel checked his bank account again. This time, it wasn't empty. It was thriving, not due to luck, but because he consistently made disciplined decisions. In that moment, he realized a truth many fail to grasp. Wealth isn't built in the moment you earn money. It's forged in the moments you choose discipline over comfort. The future isn't dismantled overnight. It's eroded slowly by decisions that feel harmless. Right now, someone is making the same choices Daniel once did, opting for comfort over growth, distraction over discipline, today over tomorrow. It feels harmless, until one day, it isn't. The most dangerous financial decision is believing you have time. The difference between those who struggle and those who build wealth isn't intelligence, it's the moment they decide to stop waiting.